Hello friends, today is going to be simple but very good, my childhood breakfast. So my mom, she was very often making that breakfast, and it is egg scrambles, but it is not just only egg scrambles. So some of the Polish recipes are based on the times where Poland was still a communist country, and not every time stuff like what we have right now were available in the stores. So Polish families had to make up whatever they couldn't find in the stores. So based on that, I'm not sure if it's based on that, but my mom was making this delicious egg scrambles, and me and my sister, we all loved it. It is very simple, but it is so tasty. So let me show you a step by step how to make that amazing staple breakfast that was in my home. Right, let's get to it. So in this egg scramble, there is going to be only two ingredients. The main ingredient is going to be onions, and the second one, yes, you guessed right, eggs. So let's cut those and let's have this amazing Polish breakfast that I grew up on, and I'm hopeful that it will be in your house from time to time. It's simple but very, very delicious. Okay, let's get to it. So first we're going to cut these onions, and then I'm going to show you what to do next with it. Always have a good knife in your kitchen. I'm going to give you in Amazon direction a couple of different knives that I use in my kitchen, and they are the best. And let's cut it. All right. Now we just have to slice it. Of course, you can prep that onion a day before, so then when you are ready for a breakfast, you have an onion ready. I will see you when I finish that. Ooh, onion is ready with some cost. Always. But it's a good cry. At least your sinuses are cleared. Now we're going to use this kind of pot, and there is going to be in the link description the access to the green pan, and if you want any product of them, the green pen is giving my viewers 25% code, and it is WhatsApp Polish Sister 25. Very good, non-toxic, safe to use ceramic pans, and I've used them already for some time, and I am very grateful for those pans because it is not only is not toxic, but it's very healthy for your family to cook in it. All right, let's get to it. Okay, let's grab the oil. Right, let's add some oil. You don't have to add too much. Okay, we're going to add the onions to our pot. And yes, at first it looks like a lot of onions, but they are going to get lower and you are not going to have too many of them. Let's use the best silicone spatulas ever from Green Pen and let's mix them. Before I add any spices to that, I just want the onions to soften up a little bit. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, it looks like it is softened up. We are going to add a little bit of a salt. A pepper. And Vegeta. This spice is kind of staple in Poland. Okay, how much? Not too much, just like a teaspoon of it. And now let's mix that. Okay. And what now? Are we going to fry that? No. So this onion is not going to be fried. I'm just going to add right now tiny bit of water and I'm going to cover that and I am just going to simmer this onion so it's going to be a soft goodness. It's like not even caramelizing it. You just have to make that so soft that it's going to melt in your mouth. That's going to be the best ever. All right, I have a water. Just going to add tiny bit. Mix it. Lower the temperature. I'm going to add a little bit more of that water. And cover it. I need to find a better cover for this pan. I'll be back. Right, better cover for that pan. Here we go. And this we are going to have that on the low temperature, like almost simmer. I'm going to put it on a simmer. And we're going to have that for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Every time look at it and add more, little bit more water. So every time you should add like a 1 tablespoon of water because we don't want to fry the onion. We just want that to be soft and melting, and this way that when it's done after 10-15 minutes we are going to add our eggs into it. Okay, let me look at it a little bit. See, it is perfect. So every time this water is going to evaporate, so just add a little bit more every time that add tiny bit and cover it and cook a little bit longer. We are done. Make sure that you look at it and mix it a little bit and add water. It looks better and better. Okay, just going to add a little bit of water again. Always have a water next to you. Okay, just tiny bit. You don't have to add too much. It's going to be such a good breakfast. Cannot wait. Woo! That looks good. Okay, so now when this is slow cooking still, the onions are so soft, creamy. All right, I am going to add 2 eggs. First 2 eggs, and then I will see. I'm going to add 3 eggs. 2 is not going to be enough. Oh, wait, maybe? Decisions. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. Just tiny bit. Just add enough salt for your need. I always add to my needs, so just check if it's not enough, or make sure it's less than more, because when you add 2 more, it's a game over. All right, let's start mixing it. I'm going to add 1 more egg. It's not enough eggs. That looks fabulous. Okay, I'm just going to leave this so it starts absorbing, and I'm going to leave this for a moment, and I'm going to grab that plate. Let's see what's going on in here. Let's mix. That looks perfect. Okay, let's plate that. Ooh, that is going to be too much for me. I'm going to leave the rest. It's too much. One and a half medium onions, 3 eggs, and plate full of goodness, food from my childhood. And like I said, during the communist country, people in Poland had to be very creative because there was not too many things available in the stores. And this is how we ate. And is it boring? Yeah, maybe it is. And this is a true plate of what we ate in Poland, especially me when I was a kid. Let's get to it. Creamy, melting in your mouth, and doesn't taste at all like onion. And you have this amazing scrambled eggs that you never ever, I bet you, seen anywhere else. Childhood memories coming up to my mind right now and my mouth. Oh my god. So let me finish this breakfast, and friends, comment me if there anything that you would love to see me cooking. Just leave me a comment below, and whatever you want from my Polish kitchen, I will show it to you how to make it step by step. Thank you so much for being with me today, watching this hopefully amazing video, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.